Hi, that was my version of Amazing Grace for the Diddley bow. Very easy song to play, great place to get started. This particular diddley bow is tuned to G today, but you can tune it anywhere. You just follow the formula for the frets, and you can play the song in any key that you wish. I'm using a little Cyclops today, which is a kind of cool little $100 amp, or even less depending on where you live. The nice thing about it is it has a built-in tuner, and it has a built-in drum machine, which I'm not going to demo today. And I'm on the Vox setting. It has a British amp setting, a JC jazz chorus setting, a tweed setting, and a couple of real rock and roll settings. But I'm not here to demo the amp. I'm just going to show you how to play this Amazing Grace tune. And it starts off with the open string and then the second fret. And if you've never played before, you can do that as a hammer-on if you like, or you can pick each note. Hammer-on would be just putting the slide down right over top of the fret mark and muting behind it a little bit. And then going to the 5th fret. That's kind of like your first phrase. Next phrase is 7, 5, 9. And that's best done as a slide down from 7 to 5. Then 7, 5, 2, 0. Then it starts again, hammering on to 2, 7, 5, 9, then we go up to 12 twice. And there's a thing called a harmonic up at 12, by the way. You just touch a string and it rings out. And you know if you got it or not, if it's too low or too high, it doesn't sound right. And that'll help you check your ear when you're up there, and also tell you whether your fret mark's in the right spot. Okay, carrying on with the song, then it goes 9, 12. And the way I do it, I go 9, 5, 9. And if you don't get all the way down to 5, don't worry about it. Then 7 to 5, 2, 0. And the last phrase, 0, 2, 7, 5, 9, 7, 5. And that's really all there is to it. I'll play it for one more time, and I'll post the formula, fret formula I like to call them, for a diddley bow, because you don't really need a tab, you just need the frets. I'll post that at the end if you want to take a screenshot of it. And that sound effect I have on it is I have just a touch of reverb and just a touch of tremolo. Another thing this little amp does that other amps don't, besides having a tuner, is it has the echo and the reverb separate. I don't have the echo on for this because I'm using tremolo. And tremolo and echo together, not necessarily a good thing, but tremolo and reverb together, pretty nice. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.